How start a magnet business. Today I'm going to show you how to start a magnet business the right way. I will break it down into a few clear steps, so easy to follow. Let's get started. Step 1. Budget. Before you start, let me ask you something. How do you like to fish? From the shore, from inflatable boat, or with a specialized boat that can cross the ocean? Your answer will guide your decision. You need to know how much you're ready to invest. Your budget will determine your equipment, and your equipment will shape your product prices, your potential customer, and your profit. By equipment, I mean printer, computer, cutting tools, machines, accessories, and supplies. If you don't want to risk much and prefer to stay on the shore, the cheapest option is vinyl magnets. You can start for under $500. Each magnet is in this size, cost about 20 cents to make, and can sell for around $1. Of course, this may vary depending on your location. Keep in mind you will need to sell a high volume to make a good profit. If you want to go a bit deeper, take the inflatable boat. That's about $2,000 budget. Here I mean a press for magnets, more budget-friendly version, and a cutter that can cut one by one. These magnets cost about 40 cents each to make, but you can easily sell them for around $3. And if you want to the ocean boat, then we are talking about $5,000 investment. This includes high quality equipment, a press, a cutter that cuts several at once, a printer with 6-color range, a reliable computer, and even 3D printer so you can create complementary products. Because here is the truth. Many people love magnet, but if they don't like putting things on their fridge, or the fridge is built in, they won't buy. That's why you can also offer frame or stands. This budget also allows you to create custom packaging and investment more in your branding. The cost per magnet is about the same, but production is faster because of the cutter. Thanks to better branding and gift-ready packaging, you can sell your magnet at higher price. So think carefully about which option is best for you. Step 2. Sales channels. The most important channel you should focus on is your website. No matter if you sell at local markets, on Etsy, in Facebook groups, or if you take wholesale orders for souvenir magnets, you need a website. It is how people find you, get to know your product, and build trust with you. In today's world, your website is your business card to the world. Without it, you look unprofessional and limit your opportunities. And don't forget, on Etsy you always depend on fees and platform rules, while your own website gives you freedom. That's why offline sales and markets can be a great combination with a strong online presence. And remember, owning your customer data is extremely important, because in the future email marketing campaign is a key. I have no personal benefit from saying this, but my recommendation is to use Shopify. With this platform you can quickly and easily create your own website without programmers or complicated setups. Yes, it will take a little time to get used to it, but after that you have full freedom to manage your website and your orders on your own. Step 3. Branding. Don't try too hard to be unique. Most names, domains and logos will look similar anyway. My advice is to create something simple and memorable, even if it doesn't directly say photomagnets. Customers don't buy because of the name. They buy because of the experience and the emotion. A true brand is built at the very touch point, from the packaging, the quality, and the way you over-deliver. If you put in the effort to give your customer more than they expected, they will remember you and come back. Branding isn't the logo, it's the feeling you leave behind. Step 4. Marketing your products. Once you have your product ready, you need to find the right way to present it. The easiest way to start is by looking at what similar businesses are doing. Don't copy them. Just see which approaches their audience responds to. Use all social media channels and experiment with different formats to see what works for your audience. Take the time to photograph your product in the best light, because pictures sell. And when it comes to photomagnet, don't forget to show the emotion behind the product. It's just a magnet. It's not just a magnet, it's a memory. It's a gift. It's a gesture. Step 5. Mindset. When you decide to start this business, remember one thing: success doesn't come overnight. There will be challenges. There will be moments when you will want to give up, but these are exactly the moments that make you stronger. Mindset is what will take you forward. Don't chase fast money. Focus on a steady growth. Every time you fall, stand up. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. That's the rule. Think of business as a game you're here to win. Be patient, be smart, and don't stop. If you keep moving forward, the result will come. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.